What if I told you that some of the most beautiful houseplants actually prefer to be ignored? Yes, while most plants beg for water, these green gems thrive on neglect. If you forget to water or travel often, don't worry. These drought-tolerant beauties have your back, and they might just become your favorite roommates. Stick around, because the last one might be the toughest indoor plant you've never heard of. Snake plant, almost impossible to kill. Its tall, upright leaves with striking green and yellow patterns don't just add drama, they also purify your air. This plant loves being forgotten and grows stronger when left alone. Chinese money plant flaunts round, coin-shaped leaves that seem to bounce in the light. It hates wet feet, so if you're the type who forgets the watering can, this one's perfect for you. Ponytail palm, not actually a palm, but a succulent with a funky base that stores water. Its curly, hair-like leaves and bulbous trunk give it a playful look while staying bone-dry for weeks. Jade plant, a symbol of good luck and a survivor. Its thick, fleshy leaves store moisture for tough times, ideal for busy people or forgetful gardeners. Bunny ear cactus grows cute little pads that look just like bunny ears. It thrives in dry conditions and doesn't flinch if you forget to water for days or even weeks. Pothos can handle just about anything. Whether in a hanging basket or climbing up a pole, it keeps growing even in low light and with infrequent watering. Dragon tree stands tall with spiky green leaves edged in red. It brings a bold look to any space and doesn't nag for water, just bright, indirect light and some patience. Swiss cheese plant features dramatic leaves with natural holes that give it that tropical vibe. Surprisingly, it can go days without water and still thrive. String of pearls, a trailing wonder with bead-like leaves that dangle elegantly. These little pearls hold water and demand very little care in return. Devil's backbone grows in zigzag patterns, making it a real conversation starter. It's colorful, weird, and happy with the bare minimum: sun and dry soil. ZZ plant, one of the most forgiving houseplants ever. Shiny leaves, sculptural form, and serious drought tolerance, it's practically foolproof. Panda plant, a fuzzy little succulent with silvery leaves tipped in brown. Its velvety texture adds charm, and it asks for nothing but sunlight and dry soil. Corn plant resembles its namesake with long, striped leaves. It adapts well to most indoor conditions and stays happy with the occasional drink. Golden barrel cactus, a round ball of golden green perfection. Slow to grow, needs almost no water, and looks striking in modern interiors. Wax plant, also known as Hoya, is both tough and pretty. Its thick, waxy leaves and occasional star-shaped flowers bring beauty without the baggage of constant care. Rubber plant offers big, glossy leaves that make a bold statement. It's also a powerful air purifier and can skip watering sessions without a fuss. Yucca thrives in full sun and dry conditions. Its sword-like leaves bring an architectural element indoors and don't care if you water it just once a month. Sago palm looks like a mini tropical tree with stiff, glossy fronds. Despite its exotic appearance, it hardly needs watering and holds up well indoors. Cast iron plant got its name for a reason. It can take a beating. Low light, dry air, missed waterings, no problem. This plant just keeps on going. Ox tongue has thick, rough leaves that look like they belong in the desert. It's slow growing and survives on minimal care. Perfect for plant owners who tend to forget. Who knew neglect could look so good? These stunning houseplants are perfect for anyone who loves greenery but hates the pressure. If you found your next favorite plant on this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more plant smart tips.